How does a customer relationship management software suite enhance student engagement tracking and better serve you as a teacher? Well, hello. First and foremost, I'm Michael Joel Hall, and I'm an Ashtanga yoga teacher, and I've been a Shala director for over 10 years now. And I have run my business through relationships. And I am able to do that better by managing those relationships through a software suite that I use and control. Often mind body is the one that comes to mind that gets used inside of studios. But as an independent yoga professional who has always run his business inside of other businesses, mind body hasn't always been a perfect fit. And so I use something like Salesforce, but on a smaller scale for me that I manage, called Fluent. And I've used a couple of different kinds of CRMs, like Active Campaign and others. But FluentCRM is just so simple. It's baked right into my website, which I like because I run WordPress. I handle everything myself. And so it like gives me a central source of knowledge. And so in this way, when I want to track my student progress, I can see pretty clearly if they are coming to class or not, because I can see their attendance, right? I can take a peek at their name and see how recently they've come to stuff. And if they haven't been in a while, I can like check the memory banks or the notes that I keep on them in the section and see if they've like had stuff going on. And if they've had stuff going on, I can like send the right kind of note to check in on them. And it doesn't take much at all. It just seems like if something's important, you can jot it down, but you need a place where it's all centralized to jot it down easily. And you need a system that you're going to use. I've been able to do that, but by creating automations and little workflows that, because I have control of that data, are easy to send out. And those are things like newsletters, for example, and I can see who's looking at what on my newsletter and talk to them about it because of their link clicks. It's stuff like that. And once I have like a real sense of what people are interested in, not just what they're telling me they're interested in, I can better design workshops and stuff to, leverage their real interests in what I want to offer. And that works great for everybody. Anyway, let's talk about how we can do stuff like that through simple automations and through simple tagging in a CRM. I'll walk you through it over at the Council of Independent Yoga Professionals.